Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this stubborn error on your Microsoft Store for Windows 10 and 11. Let's begin. First, you need to go to your Windows search bar over here and just type in CMD. All right, we need command prompt this. Make sure to run this as the admin. Over here, I want you to run these commands, all right? You can run all of these commands. However, we only need to do sfc space slash scan now. So do this one, all right? So I'm going to simply copy paste this on the CMD. This might take a while. As you can see, verification at least 5% complete. It might take like 2 to 5 minutes. Once done, you can now proceed with the next step. If the verification found any corrupted files, it will automatically acquire and fix everything for you. Now, the next step, I want you to minimize or close CMD, then just type in system. So this one, or you can go to settings and then locate the system. Just need to locate system components. And from here, click on Microsoft Store once and then click on advanced options. Then scroll down, make sure to click on terminate. This will immediately stop any services related to Microsoft Store. Then proceed, click on the repair button. Now, this might take like a few seconds. Once done, I want you to check if everything is good in accessing your Microsoft Store. However, if not, go back here, click on terminate again. This time, I want you to choose and click on reset instead. This will take like a minute or two. Once done, I want you to close everything and then go back, check Microsoft Store. Everything should now be working smoothly as ever. Now, lastly, if you have any VPNs currently turned on your Windows, or if you have any third-party softwares, make sure to turn them off, anything VPN related, and then try to check again if it's working. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.